Hey there, welcome back. Probably this is the last video, so I will be pretty quick in this video since you know the process already. Let's go ahead and get started. All right. Let me quickly show you. Okay, this is the white code base, whatever you say. I have just installed ec2 in the project, added a use effect and requested to this particular API which is handled by our server. You already have seen that, right? Now we have started the server, and let's try to take a new tab on 5173 and just paste enter. Inspect, go to network tab, try to reload the application, echr, and it's what it does. It says status bad gateway. Why it is bad gateway? Come on, dude. Is it our server closed already? Oh, okay. If you remember, we haven't started the server. All right. See our application and node app.js. This is manually. Okay, now we can also start the server with pm2 restart all, so that it starts from pm2, because you know why I used the manual way. Now since it's gone, we can use the pm2. So now let's try to see what there is. It says course error. It's a typical error. You understand, you know why it happens. Let's go to the application and try to install a new package called course npm.js. If you go here, and then now we need to install this. So come over here, paste this code. It will install the course. Now we just need to scroll down, and then copy this first line, a second line, sudo nano app.js. Here I need to paste this line, and just below that I need to say app use course. And now Control O and save, and Control X. Control O, then press enter or return button, it will save, and then press Control X to just come out of that. Now pm2 restart all. It will stop the server and restart it. Now it should send us the response. Hey, I am root 5000. That's good. Let's try to npm. No, not npm. Sudo nano app.js. Now let's return not code. Let's write code. Okay, pm2 restart all. Let's see if I receive the same response or not. Okay. Hey, I am. Let's write code. All right. We can do anything with the data, can't we? Yeah, we can. It's up to us what we want to do and what not. Now, if you see, this is our own code base. There is no Dell. This is running for from my computer. Now I have to deploy this front end as well. Let's quickly stop the server and say npm run build. and you see here is the dist, right? Now I need to say scp. You remember the command? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you remember. If you see, if I just go here and see this white project, this is this dist, and I need to copy this to my AWS instance. Just compress it. It's dist.zip. If you are on Windows, you will say something called, what was that? Yeah, it is also compressed. It is also compressed. So we have this dist.zip. Now we can say terminal scp dash I. Let's write command. Let's write code.pem, and then what is my ec2 instance? Let me just give me 1 second. Let me just quickly copy the commands and just paste it over here so that we don't waste too much time. This.z. home/program. All right, so we have the entire path, and let's just install. Click on enter or return. It will. Okay, it's gone. It's gone. Now let's try to go to our path and do ls. Okay, we have something called this.zip. All right. Now first remove the old folder .rf disk.zip. Oh, sorry. I had to delete this dist folder, not .zip. Okay, no issues. Dist. Okay, now so I've deleted both of the files. Now let's do it once again so that it copies my file to here. It's done. Let's do ls. Okay, disk.zip is here. If I do unzip disk.zip and ls, so I have dist folder unzipped. I have to copy this particular folder to var www and html path so that I see the latest application. But some code is already there, isn't it? Yeah, it is. I have to go there. cd var www html, and if I do ls, I have dist over here. I have, like, it's on me that if I want to delete this dist folder, if I want to keep a backup, if I want to rename it, it's up to me, totally up to me. So let's rename it to move dist to dist underscore backup. Okay, sudo, sorry, my bad. I have to say sudo. Okay, it's dist backup now, so that now I can do one thing. I can say sudo move. I am in my root directory now, since I just pressed cd. So if I do ls, I have the dist folder. So now let's copy this to my that directory. var, www, and html. So move my dist, move dist to where? Var, www, and then html. You will see, oh, okay, it's moved. Let's go to that var, www, that html. So many directory change, right? But we have to do it. There is no exception from it. So we have dist. Let's go inside dist and see we have everything here or not. Everything is here. Great. So far good. Now let's try to restart our Nginx. Why? Because there are new files. So I want Nginx to be restarted so that I am served with the latest files. This video was so fast forwarded, so I'm pretty sure you haven't got so much of the things, but don't you worry on that part. You just skipped on. Okay, here it is. Restart. Now let's try to see. Redeploying things is such a pain, and that is why CI/CD exists. And maybe in some other videos we will definitely talk on this, but every time changing a just simple text and redeploying the things is such a nightmare, and nobody does this. But to show you for initial deployment so that you can show the client or maybe deploy your application, that is what you can do. So now let's go here, and what is admin? Let's write code. This is the live website. Now let's do this. Not this route. I want to go to directly admin.com so that I see that is it. Hey, I am Let's Write Code. Thank you so much for being till the end, and I hope I'll catch you up in the next series or videos. Bye bye.